Hello traders, how are you doing? This is Aftab and today is 22nd of August 2024, Thursday. Tell me everyone, how is it going? I hope you guys must be doing very well and you must be enjoying your lives. So as you can see right here on the screen that we have a very good and fundamental activity going to happen in around it is 5, so in around 30 minutes that activity is going to happen. Unemployment claims that was the previous was 227k and this one seems to be even more bad for the dollar according to the forecast. Rest we will see what the real numbers comes, right? Then the flash manufacturing PMI, and seems like that is not changed much, and then flash services PMI, that also seems to be okay, but this unemployment claims is so much important. So let's see how this data can be reflected on the charts of gold and euro US dollar I want to discuss. So this is one plan, I discussed it right here, and again I want to tell you a bit of disclaimer as well, that this video is completely separate from the weekly forecast I do for gold. So today I'm just here to discuss this unemployment claims as well. Plus I will see if the news comes good for the dollar, what will be the reaction of the bulls and the bears, and similarly if it comes bad for the dollar, then again we have to see that how that fundamental data can reflect on these charts. So first of all, from the weekly forecast, 25 was a sell area, right? I have made myself completely clear in the weekly forex forecast for gold. So today is 22nd of August and the news is also there. Before I proceed, just keep in your mind that these two levels are going to be very much important for me on the H1, right? 2470 and 2550 or 2548. So I will be deleting everything, and similarly let's have a look at the euro dollar as well. So then both of them I want to discuss right here. Let's move up there, okay, and move it a little bit further up. So I have to see this gold and euro dollar, right my friends? Now at this present moment, if we see this gold, let me zoom in the chart a little bit. Since Friday 16th of August 2024, the previous Friday, this market is holding this bullish story. And on the H1, remember, I personally don't like the H1, but since you are going to see this video today and tomorrow, 22nd and 23rd of August, then I think yes, this area of support near 2470, 2486, and this whole story actually started last Friday it started, remember my friends, 2477. so these area seems to be pretty much the same, right? Now let's delete everything, and I also want to show you this euro dollar. There was one ABCD pattern and that has got completed, and when was that? Wednesday 21st August 2024. So yesterday, right? And then right here if you see, Tuesday 20th August. So last Friday it also closed above this previous support, right? And obviously the long term stuff is also going on. So if the news is very good for the dollar, there is a good chance the market can reset itself at two places. Number one is 1.10973 and the second is 1.10734. But again, we have to run a fresh analysis. Most of you will know that in the weekly forecast I have discussed this particular level. There I was expecting a sell as well, but that didn't happen, and then this ABCD pattern completed. Even we have got a break of structure of that, and then 1.11361, 1.12840, these are going to be the sell area with us, and similarly the more we go up, the better sell prices we get, right? So now also let's delete all of these things from the euro dollar clean chart. First of all, if we see this H4 chart, those who ask me that we just want to run H4 analysis. So on the H4, if the news is like, I want to simplify everything. I want to simplify everything for all of you. And that is, there are several Fibonacci zones. The first one is right here. See at the previous break of structure. Now, most of you guys ask me what is a break of structure, and I'm like fed up of explaining it again and again. A break of structure is simple, like a price closing above the previous high. Very simple. So in simple words, this is now going to be the plan with us, and actually this is the sell plan. The news is not yet activated, but the sell will be from right here, and the take profit can all the way be right here, this 1.10393. If let's say the trend is too strong, keep this thing in mind, that as far as the market, remember this thing my friends, as far as it is trading below 1.11683, it will be giving us this particular opportunity towards right here 1.0931, from where this whole story started. And there is also one nice thing, and the nice thing is it broke this high was broken right here, retested, and continuation. So simple. Now moving on to the H4, things got simple. Move on to the H1 and C. On the H1, obviously there is a type of trend going on. And any close below this, like this, let me show you, like this, then the market is going to continue dropping towards 1.10393. so this is the euro dollar. This will be the trading plan, and obviously the intraday and the scalpers can leave their positions right here as well, near 1.11031. This is the right way of trading it. Now on the other hand side, there is something on the 15-minute as well. On the 15-minute chart, it is standing at a clear Fibonacci zone like this. See, 618 is right here. We have got a rejection, and on the M15, it is now showing this. This is, remember, the M15 pointing towards 1.12042. Now let me tell you when this M15 pattern will be broken. It will be broken if the market breaks this trend line and it continue dropping and hit this area. Then it go back up, retest this level and take a sell from there. Then that's fine. If it straight go down, we can't do anything. But yes, if we are holding anything on the daily time frame, that's fine. Otherwise we remains like neutral every time we are not going to trade. So there is around 20 minutes in the news, and I also want to discuss gold. Now on the other hand side, the gold, if we see this Friday start, if we see when did the Friday market started, seems like this story is going to be resetted today, 2480. As per this plan that I'm looking at right now, this tiny trend is broken as well. Not only broken, retested, and now is continuing to the top side, bottom side of the market. So it is clearly coming down to 2470, and remember, if the trend is too strong, it can also take a support right here near 2440. So now it depends today, and there is also a very good long-term sell opportunity obviously is active all the way towards right here. But then it depends that how the traders take this opportunity. So at the moment the daily Fibonacci comes right here with us near 2380. So if the market is going to drop, it will be a fantastic drop. This much simple it is. Now we have around 19 minutes in the news, and the chances are the places where both of these instruments are standing at the moment, they clearly suggest a drop, and then maybe 2430 can become a good buy zone. This 2480 for a buy can be a little bit risky today. So let's see, it's dropping, and at each and every step you can like read the charts like this. You can also place it like this and observe the price near 2490 as well, right? So this is the present moment right now. US oil, it stopped me out. I was clearly on a buy right here, and with around 50 pips I was stopped out. But this plan for the long term that I discussed, it is again pointing towards 67.39. so yes, let it hit that 67, then I will be able to say something. Dollar yen created a bottom right here, and the weekly setups that I discussed, we took sell all the way from 160. All of you remember that, right? A buy, when I was taking a buy on gold right here, that was a sell area with us. It also created this lower low right here, if you can see, but obviously it is like now I don't need this level. It is now showing bullish, and seems like this is going to be the perfect trade setup for today if it breaks into the structure again. So any buy that we are holding, let's see, here we made profit, but I think this is now a fantastic bullish rally we can see, and the bullish rally will be all the way towards this 61.8% retracement once it did, but maybe this time it can go a little bit further up. And both of these levels, remember, are ideal for take profiting. From right here till their take profit, then this is also going to be a take profit zone, right? And obviously these are then the long-term sell zones. So let's see what it gives us, right, my friends. Remember one thing, my friends. These are the setups which we need to pay full attention to. I want to uh, 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 upload this session after the news, but then I think you guys will have problem. So let me wind up the session and I will then meet you in another session, maybe later tonight, to discuss this same plane, maybe tomorrow. So yes, try to give me your full feedback because I'm right here for your help. And yeah, let's see. Take a lot of care of yourself. Make sure to give me a thumbs up. See you. Goodbye.